FORE. Incoming incredible golf villa on the 7th hole in Street. Andrews Villas of Craft Farms. This gorgeous home has breathtaking views of the pond and pristine rolling greens. Located within walking distance of the Craft Farms Clubhouse, this home is situated perfectly for the golf enthusiast. Enjoy sunup to sundown on your 550 square feet covered and screened lanai. This space is an exquisite, tiled bonus outdoor living room. The newly coated cement pad is adjacent and superb for your outdoor kitchen and grilling station. Low maintenance is the name of the game as the landscaping is included with your HOA fees, leaving you time to enjoy this highly sought-after community lifestyle. The spacious, effortless flow of the home makes it ideal for hosting friends and family. Soaring 18 ceilings, luxurious 18-tile floor and a wall of windows cascade light into your oversized great room, which is perfectly positioned off your bright eat-in kitchen. The skylights and enormous bay window let the outside in and illuminate your breakfast and dining area. The split floor plan offers a private primary suite with vaulted ceilings, natural light and an ensuite bathroom. The multitude of cabinets, double vanity, huge walk-in shower and closet adorn your owner's sanctuary. The front bedroom has a magnificent arched picture window, a custom built-in desk and storage center as well as built-in bachelor chests, making it a great optional study or office. There are no worries about storage in this immaculate home as built-in cabinets are abundant throughout the home and garage. Accompanying the cabinets in the garage is a workbench and epoxy flooring, giving you a place for all your hobbies. The Craft Farms community provides a 36-hole Palmer-designed golf course, a plethora of amenities, convenient to retail and restaurants, and a short straight shot to the sugar-white beaches of Gulf Shores. This perfectly priced home is a hole-in-one. Don't miss out. Call to view today.